Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be reviewing the Pretty by Flomar palette. Now this palette has only got 4 colors in it. It has got a black, I'm trying to open it. It has got a black, it's got a gray, and it's got a white. So there's 2 types of grays, it's a dark and a light. This palette retails for 99 Rand. But if you stick through the whole video, I'm going to tell you how much I actually paid for it and how. So guys, if you'd like to see this review, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, this is the Pretty by Flomar palette. This has got 4 colors. It's got a whole string that you can just pull out here at the back. So what I like about it is that the safety protocol is really good on it. So it says here, let your eyes speak with 4 different vibrant shades that are ideal for highlighting your eyes in the inner corners to define a natural, intense, sophisticated, or a smoky eye look. These shades are highly pigmented with smooth texture, blend together or apply in contrast to intensify, sculpt, and add depth to your eyes. Tested by dermatologists, keep away from heat, direct sunlight, and close your cap properly. So this is what it looks like. So let's test out. Ooh, they are highly pigmented, and that was just a teeny tiny bit. Plus I applied some at the back of my hand. Okay guys, so this is what the colors look like. We have the gray, and the black. So guys, on the palette, this has got pretty peas on it. That's what I like. I like the pretty peas on it. It looks very pretty. So I'm feeling a smoky eye today. So guys, I'm going to blend all 4 colors in on the eyes today. I have already primed and prepped my eye. I'm just going in with a little bit of tape. I generally don't use tape, but today it's black. So you know what? It's better to be safe than to be sorry. So guys, to start it off, I'm going to be tapping out with this gray color here. It's more like a silver, but let's see how it looks when we apply it. So you can't really see much. Yeah, it is more like a silver. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of the darker one. And now for the black. Guys, this is the blackest black I've seen in a really long time. So guys, now I'm going in with my fluffy brush and just going over all the colors again. So and now for the black. This looks amazing. This looks really, really good. Now guys, I'm going to go in with some eyelashes and I'm going to be back to show you guys. Is going in with the exact same thing as the top, going in at the bottom, but just with a smaller brush. With the gray now, I'm using the gray. So I used the black first, and I used the gray. Now I'm using the light gray. And that's what it looks like. So if you see this one and that one, this one and that one. The pigment on it is really amazing. You guys saw it firsthand, and how much I actually really paid for this was 50 rand, so it was 50% off. So you can go in and get yours right now as we speak. I'm not sponsored in any way for this, but I'm just giving you guys the heads up. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.